In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up field history tracking in Salesforce. Field history tracking is a simple but powerful way to see who changed a field, what it was before, what it is now, and when the change happened. It's great for audits, troubleshooting, and staying aligned with your team. Before we begin, make sure you have the proper permissions to adjust object settings in your Salesforce org. Start in Salesforce and look to the top right corner. Click the gear icon and select Open Advanced Settings. This takes you into the admin area where you can configure objects and their fields. On the left pane, you'll see a search field called Quick Find. Begin typing Object Manager and select it from the results. Object Manager is where all your objects live, both standard and custom, and it's where you'll enable tracking for the fields you care about. From the list of objects, select Account. We're using Account as the example here, but the same approach applies to other objects. Once you're on the Account Setup page, click Fields and Relationships. This is where all the fields for the account object are listed, including standard fields like account name and custom fields your org may use. At the top right, click Set History Tracking. This is the control center for deciding which fields on the account object will be tracked. You'll see options to enable history tracking for the object, and then select the individual fields. Choose the fields you want to monitor. Think about the ones that impact reporting, ownership, compliance, or downstream processes, such as account owner, type, industry, or key custom fields. Be intentional. Tracking too many fields can add noise, while tracking too few can leave gaps. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. From this point forward, changes to those selected fields will be recorded. The history log captures the date and time, the user who made the change, and the old and new values. Note that tracking begins after you enable it. It won't retroactively fill in past changes. A few helpful tips as you start using this feature. The history is typically visible on the record via the history-related list if it's included on your page layout, and you can also report on changes for deeper analysis. Keep in mind that Salesforce may limit how many fields you can track per object and how long the data is retained, depending on your addition and compliance add-ons. That's all you need to set up field history tracking on the account object. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps for other objects where change visibility matters.